Guys, in this video I would like to teach you on how to do mapping a standard SOP expression on 3 variable and a 4 variable. Okay, so consider you are given this function and you are required to do the mapping standard SOP. Okay, so the thing that you need to understand is, since it's a bar, so it was a, and a is 1, and therefore it will be 0. Like, think of there is a NOT gate here. There is a NOT gate, and like this. So it is a, and then it is an a bar. So if it's 1, therefore it will be 0. So if there is a bar, then it is a 0. Okay, so here it's a 0, and here it's a 0, and here it is 0, and here it is a 0, it is a 0, and here it's 1 because there is no bar. So here it's a 1, it's a 1, and it's a 0, it's a 1, and it's a 0, and it is a 0. Okay, now we need to draw for 3 variables. So we'll have something like this, 3, 4. Okay, so we'll have C, it's A, B, and C, and then we divide by 2 here. So then we have something like this. Okay, all right. Okay, and then we have a 0 and it's a 1. So here we have a 0 0, and we have a 0 1, and we have a 1 1, and we have a 1 0. Okay, so this is just the standard you need to know if you are dealing with a 3 by 3. Okay, so now we want a b, we want where ab is 0. Okay, so it's 0 0. So we find our ab, or where a is 0, it's in this case, and where b is 0, so it is here and here. But now c is 0, so it is this space, because it's 0 0. ab is 0 0 here, and here it is it's where only b is 0, but now and also c, but now a is 1, so it is not this space but this space. Okay, so we put 1 here, and here we need where ab is 0 and c is 1, where ab is 0 and c is 1. So here a is 0 and b is 0, and c here in this space is 1, so we put 1 here. Okay, and where AB is 1 1, so we find AB is 1 1 here on this space. So this a row. Okay, so here it's 1, and but now we're looking at C is 0, and everything here it's where C is 0, and here it's where C is 1. Okay, so we put 1 here because AB is 1 1, AB is 1 1, and C is 0, and C here is 0, so we'll put here. And then we want where AB is 1 0, so AB is 1 0 here. Here is 1 1 0, but now C is 0, so it will be here. Okay, so now you are done mapping this 3 variable. Okay, maybe let's do another example. Consider you have a bar, a b bar, and a c, and plus a bar and b and a c bar, and you have a plus an a and b and c bar, and plus a b and c. Okay, All right, so as I have explained, it will be a 0 because it is there is a not gate here, so it's a bar, so it will be 0. It was a 1, so it will be 0 here, and here it's 0 and it's 1 here, so here it's 0, it's 1 0, it is a 1 1 a 0, and it's 1 1 1. Okay, so we draw. Maybe let's draw using the horizontal one, okay, because it's different. So let's use this one in this case. So we will have something look like this. Okay, all right, it's still one and the same thing. So it will be a b here, and here it will be c. Okay, so here it is 0 0, and it's 0 1, it's 1 1, and it is 1 0, and here it is 0 and it's 1. Okay, so we want where AB is 0 0, so AB here is 0 0, but now where C is 1, so therefore it is this space. It cannot be this space because here AB is 0 0, but now C is 0. Okay, I'm not sure if you understand, and therefore it will be 1. And now we want where AB is 0 1. All right, so where is AB 0 1? It is this space. All right, it is this space. Then but now we are looking at where AB is 0 1 and also C is 0, so it is this space. So you put your 1 here, and now AB is 1 1, so this one is AB. It's where we find AB is 1 1, but now there is 0 and 1. We look where a C is 0, but now AB is 1 1, so it is this space. It's not this space because C in this case it is 1, so it will be a 1 1 1. You understand? So here we have ABC, which is 1 1 1. So where AB is 1 1, so it is this space again, but now C is 1, so it is this space. Okay, so this is how you do a three variable. This is how you do the mapping of a standard SOP, a three variable. Okay, all right, maybe let's try more example, but now in this case we do the four variable. Okay, let's consider we have a bar, B bar, and a C bar, and D. Okay, maybe let me put no bar. Okay, let me just scratch this one. So it will be A bar, a B bar, and a C and D, and plus A bar and B and a C bar and a D bar. Okay, and plus AB and a C bar and D, and plus it will be A, B, C, a D, and plus, okay, it will be A, B, and C, A bar, and D bar, and plus A bar, and B bar, and C bar, and D. Okay, so the procedure is still the same, but now it is a four variable. So we start here. Okay, so it will be 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0. Okay, so it will be 1 1 0 1, it will be 1 1 1 1, here it will be 1 1 0 0, and here it will be 0 0 0 1. Okay, and then we draw like this. Okay, something like this. Okay, so we will have AB and a C and CD, so it is a 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, and we have a 0 0 a 0 1 1 1 and a 1 0. Okay, maybe let's draw these horizontal lines here so that we will see more clear. Okay, so we have we are looking at where AB is 0 0. Now this space AB is 0 0, but now we are looking where CD is 1 1, and CD in this space is 1 1. So we are looking for this space, okay, because now it is not this space, because here okay, this one is more out, okay, so we cannot use this one because here the AB is 0 1, but now we are looking for where AB is 0 0. Okay, yeah, of course CD is 1 1, but now we are not interested in AB 0 1 or anything else, but now we are interested in 0 0, and that's why we use the space. Okay, so now we are looking at where AB is 0 1. So AB is 0 1 in this space, all of this space AB is 0 1, but now we're interested where AB is 0 1 and also CD is 0 0. So if you can notice, this spaces AB is 0 1 and CD is 0 0, and then we put our 1 here. All right, okay. If we proceed, then we are looking at AB 1 1, AB is 1 1, but now CD is 0 1, 0 1 0 1. It is the space. Okay, AB is 1 1, but now CD is 0 1. Okay, now we are looking where AB is 1 1. It is all this space, but now CD is 1 1, so it is this space, so it will be 1. Now again we are looking at where AB is 1 1, but now CD is 0 0. So AB is 1 1, but now CD is 0 0, so it will be this space. Okay, and then now we are looking at the space where AB is 0 0. So AB is 0 0 here, but now CD is 0 1, so it will be this space. Okay, so this is how you do the mapping on a 3 variable when you're making mapping a standard SOP expression using a 4 variable. Okay, maybe let's do another example. Let's do it here. Okay, so let's take an example of A bar, B, C, D bar, and plus A, B, C, D bar, and plus A, B, and C bar, and D bar, and plus A, B, C, D. Okay, so if we can do this one, so here it is 0. Why it's 0? Because there is a NOT gate here. Right, if I may also repeat this one, how is it a 0? How is it a 1? Okay, so here if it's 1, and therefore it will be 0 here. So if it's A, here it will be a bar. So if it's a B, and then here it will be a B bar. So if it's C, for example, and here it will be a C bar. So if it's B, therefore B is 1. Okay, so but now if it's B bar, and therefore this b will be 0. The answer here will be 0. So if you are failing to understand what is happening here, okay, so it is 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 0. Okay, so it's 1 1 1 1, and then we draw. Okay. So it will be AB and CD. So here it is 0 0 and it's 0 1, it's 1 1, it is 1 0. So this one, it's just the standard form. It will always be like this one. So if you have something similar, so here it also will be 0 0, it will be 0 1, it will be 1 1, and it will be 1 0. Okay, so we are looking at where AB is 0 1. So we find AB 0 1 on this space. The whole space here, AB is 0 1. Okay, but now we want where, okay, we want where CD is a 1 0. So it's 0 1 and a 1 0, 0 1 and 1 0. So it is this space. Okay, and now we're looking at the situation where AB is 1 1. Okay, AB is 1 1, but now CD is 1 0. So it is this space, because here CD is 1 0. This whole space CD is 1 0, but now this space looking horizontally, it is 1 1. Okay, but okay, maybe let me continue. Now we are looking for AB is 1 1, but now CD is 0 0, exactly the space. Now we are looking at AB is 1 1, with AB is 1 1, but now CD is 1 1, so it will be this space. Okay, yeah, I think maybe there's something I did not write correct here, but according to what is happening here, yeah, it must be like this one. So it is, if we can double check, AP is 0 1, AP is 0 1, but now CD is 1 0, so it will be here. Now AB is 1 1, but now CD is 1 0, so it will be here. So it's correct, and this one is correct also. And here AB is 1 1, AB is 1 1, okay, here, but now 0 0, so it will be here. And then AB is 1 1 and CD is 1 1. So yeah, it's supposed to be like this one. Okay, and then there is a mapping, a mapping on a non-standard SOP. So this one is a mapping. So it's a mapping, a non-standard SOP expression. Okay, expression using a 3 variable. So maybe, for example, you'll be given a bar, okay, and plus a and a b bar, and plus an a b and a c bar. Okay, so this is a 3 variable. They will tell you this, maybe this is a 3 variable, I don't know, but you can find it on your own. If you can see, you have a b c. Now this one, it means it is your your maximum variables are 3. So it is from A to C. So we are dealing with you are dealing with the 3 variable. So if they are not telling you in maybe in that case, but here it is a 3 variable, and you can also observe by looking what I'm saying. Now if you can see, this one is ABC. Okay, so this part alone, it's in a standard form, but now we are given a non-standard SOP expression. How now it is a non-standard SOP? It is a non-standard. It is a non-standard because this one is incomplete. We are looking at the 3 variables, so there is a B missing and there is also C missing. Okay, and B bar is missing of a C, but now we do not know if it's that a C was a B or was a B bar. Okay, so in order for not us to confuse or anything, so we need to write this expression in a standard. But now how are we going to write in a standard? So we will use the answer here. It will be a 0, but now there is this this BC that we do not know, so we just immediately you put a 0 0. Okay, but now we don't know if it was a 0 0. Okay, maybe if you can approach in that way, you understand? So if maybe the possible case will be a 0, because we don't know, it will be a 0 0 1. Okay, another case it will be a 0 1 a 0. Another case it will be a 0 1 1, and there is no other case. Okay, so this 0 is for A bar, this 0 is for A bar, and this 0 is for A bar, and this 0 is for A bar. But now this is a possibility for BC. Do you understand? For BC, BC could be have been a bar, a B bar, and a C bar, or it could be a bar, a B bar, and a C. We do not know. Do you understand? So we need to conclude mention all the possible cases. So in this case here, we have a 1 and we have a 0, and we attach the 0. Okay, you first attach with the 0, then you follow with the whatever case may be or possible. But now it can also be a 1 and a 0 and a 1, and these are cases. Okay, but now here it is in the standard already, so it will be a 1 and a 0. Okay, and then you draw, so it will be like this one. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, so it will be like this. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this one would be A B and a C. So here it is a 0 0 and 0 1, and it is a 1 1, and it's a 1 1 0. As you can see, it does not change, and it is a 0 and it is a 1. Okay, all right, now we are looking at a space where AB is 0 0. Now AB is 0 0 here, but now C is also 0, so it is this case. So we minus this one. We are done dealing with it, and now we are looking the space where AB is a 0 0. So here again, so it will be here, but now C is 1, so it will be here. Now we are looking at the space where Okay, maybe let me crash this one. We're looking at the space where AB is 0, 1. So it is this one. AB is 0, 0, 1. So it will be, okay, I'm shaking. I don't know why I'm shaking. On my left hand side, I'm holding a phone on my left hand side and I'm shaking. I don't know why. Okay, so we're looking at the case where AB is 0, 1. Okay, so AB is 0, 1 on this space. Okay, if I may point with my finger on this space, on this space is 0, 1, but now a C is 0, so it will be a 1 here. So okay, see, I don't know why I'm shaking. Okay, so now we are done with this one. Now we are looking at the case where AB is 0, 1. Okay, so AB is 0, 1 where, okay, 0, 1, same space, but now C is 1. So we can have this possible cases on A bar alone. Okay, so now we are looking at the space where AB is 1, 0. Now AB is 1, 0, but now C is 0. AB is 1, 0, but C is 0, so it will be this space. Now we're also looking at AB is 1, 0, but now C is 1, so it is the other space here. Okay, so now we are looking at the space where AB is 1, 1. So it is the above space, which is this one. AB is 1, 1, but now C is 0, so it will be this space. Okay, so this is how we do mapping on a non-standard SOP expression. Maybe from here, if we may continue, the question may be draw a circuit diagram, a logic a gate for this expression. So if you do not know, maybe let's try draw it. So let's start with this one. It doesn't matter, to understand which one you start with, but here this one, it will be okay. I wish I know how to write with a left hand side, because here I'm shaking, I don't know, so I'll have to stop this video. So it will be A, it will be B, and a C, but now a C is a bar, there is a bar, so it will be a NOT gate here, and then we combine this one. Oh, sorry, okay, sorry, let me like start over. Okay, we have a bar, and we have a plus a B bar, and plus a B, and a C bar. Okay, all right, so we have AB, so this is AB, ABC, but now there is a NOT gate here. So this one is C, this one is B, and this one is A. All right, and then maybe let me combine them. So this one is a AND gate, but now there are 3 pins. Okay, it's an AND gate, and also we have a B bar. A B bar, it will be here, and A. All right, so an A here, but now it is a B bar, so it will have a NOT gate here. Okay, and we also have So this one is also a AND gate, and we have a not A, so we can have something here and not A alone. But now these plus it's for all gates, so we will have something like this here. Okay, maybe we can put this one here. Sorry about this one, but it will come back like this and like this. Okay, so this will be our logic gates. So this is a OR, is a AND, it is a NOT, it's a AND, it's NOT. Then maybe you can write your a B, a C bar, and this one is your C bar, and this one is your A, of course, and this one is your A, and here it is A bar. So this is how you draw. Maybe if the case says draw your circuits, a logic circuits, so it will look like this one. But now let's do more example on how to do the mapping on a non-standard SOP expression. Okay, the last example. Okay, now let's say we have we are given so I did the three variable. Okay, let's repeat maybe again, do the three variables. So we have a BC and plus A bar and the C bar. Okay, so what we need to do here is do what we were doing. All right, we do what we were doing. So we need to write this one in a standard SOP expression. Now it is in a form of a non-standard SOP expression, so we need to convert it back to a standard SOP expression. So we'll do what we did, look for the possible solutions here or cases. So we have a missing of a A, here we have a missing of a B. Okay, so only B will be changing. So A, it could be a 0, but here it's 1 1. It could be a 1 1 1. So this is the first case. Okay, so this one is also a three variable, and here we have a 0, but now a 0 for B, a missing B, and it will be a 0 for C bar. Okay, but now this one will remain, and it could be a 1. This is another possible case, and then we have a 0. Okay, all right. So now we need to do a mapping. Okay, so we'll have something like this. So it is C and it is A B. So it is a 0 0 0 1 1 1, and it is a 1 0. Okay, so we have a 0 and a 1. Okay, we're looking at the case where AB is a 0 1. So this is a 0 1, but now C is 1, so it will be here. We're looking at the case where AB is 1 1, but now C is 1, so it will be this case. We're looking at AB. Remember there is a missing then there is a missing B here, so it should be AB, where AB is 0 0. It's this case, but now C is also a 0, so it will be here.